Hello students, welcome to SKITRE. Here I am going to show you how to use our Pronunciation Dojo. So let's consider you all have already purchased our Pronunciation Dojo. First of all, go to Practice Tools, then search here for Pronunciation Dojo here, then click on View button. As we click on View button, it will navigate us to its instructive page. So here some instructions are given for using this dojo. Instead of reading, you can also listen to those instructions here. Then click on Start button. As we click on Start button, it will navigate us to its scenario pages. So let's see for first one, build your vocabulary scenario. Click on this field. As you click on this field, it will navigate us to its instructive page. So here some instructions are provided for using or practicing this scenario. Instead of reading, you can also listen to those instructions. Then click on Continue button. As we click on Continue button, it will navigate us to its practice page. So here total word practice count is given here, then total word practice today count is given here. Here as you click on this tab, one pop-up is open. So here one video is provided for how it works. You can watch this video to see how that particular scenario is going to work. Okay, then search any word you want to, for example hungry, then click on search button. Also you can record your word. So here the information about hungry word is given. Then you have to record this word by clicking on this record button. Hungry. Okay. Hungry. 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 Okay. So in this way you have to practice for this scenario. Then click on exit button. Okay. Let's see for second one. That is improve sentence structuring. Click on this field. As we click on this field, it will navigate us to its instructive page. So here some instructions are given for practicing this scenario. And also instead of reading, you can listen to those instructions here. Then click on continue button. As we click on continue button, it will navigate us to its practice page. So here some documentation part is given. You can read this document. Then also one video is provided to see how that particular scenario is going to work. You can watch this video for this one. Then you have to click on this button, choose a word for me. As you click on this button, it will choose one word, and then some sentences, jumbled sentences are given. You have to place this place them in a correct sequence. So let's try. Okay. wrong, it will show where we mistaked. So I have to correct this one. So in this way we have to practice for other sentences also. Then click on next button. So here complex sentences are provided. Here also we have to practice in same way. Then same for compound sentences. As we complete for this one, then we have to click on exit button. Okay. So in this way we have to practice both scenarios in Pronunciation Dojo. Thank you.